Bala, what motivated you?
I have done my Bachelor of Engineering degree in mechanical domain. After I came to know for this much is not enough for going for a networking domain, and then I decided to switch my career in networking domain with my own interest.
What are the key takeaways?
Check ourselves and confidence. We have to develop our skill, how they are expecting knowledge, how we have to enhance our knowledge.
How would you recommend Networkers Home for the upcoming future aspirant?
Whatever domain you are coming from, it's not matter. If you come to Networkers Home with your own interest in learning perspective, you can come and study and get the job.
Hello everyone, welcome to our another episode of Voices of Victory. Today we have one of our brightest student, BalaKumar, who has recently got placed at Alakrity Consoles. Hi Bala.
Hi sir.
So tell us about yourself first, Bala.
I am BalaKumar, coming from TamilNadu. I have done my Bachelor of Engineering degree in mechanical domain in the year of 2023. And then I worked in mechanical domain for around 1.5 years. And then I decided to switch my career in networking domain with my own interest. As initiative, I joined in Networkers Home and enrolled in the CCNA and NP courses. And as of now, I completed my courses and placed in a company, reputed company.
Bala, what motivated you to start your journey in networking field?
Basically, in mechanical company, we are working with technologies only.
Mm.
In the technologies, all the machines are connected with the centralized servers. All codings are stored on the centralized server room only. And then I came to know how these machines are getting from that server room to here, how they are getting their connections, how they are coming, codes are transferring from that to here, which is these things are eager me to learn about networking. After I came to know for this much is not enough for going for a networking domain. We have to develop our skill in a particular that related to that role. So I enrolled in the CCNA and NLP courses.
Last time, Bala, we have done one mock interview.
Yes, sir.
So how that mock interview helped you to crack this interview?
Yeah, it sells very well because with the help of mock interviews only, I build my own confidence level and able to speak very fluently, and how they are companies are expecting knowledge from me, and the as a fresher how they are recruiting, how they are expecting knowledge, how we have to enhance our knowledge related to their JDs, which are all helps with the help of mock interviews only.
Have you done any global certifications?
No, sir. I have done my only CCNP course completion certification only.
So like how you manage during the preparation for this? Like how you going to manage your theoretical parts, lab, everything?
Initially, while I'm starting this course, I don't know how to enhance my knowledge related to these fields, because we have to practice we have to good in practicals. First, before that going to practical, we know the theory concept, everything, what is there, what is whatever the concept are we are going to study. And firstly, I make focus on the theory part. And I studied every theory, CCN and NP courses, every concept. And then I enrolled in the lab practical classes, which helps me to improve my lab practical knowledges and technical preparation classes also.
So how does this training at Networkers Home helped you to crack the interview or to gain knowledges about the networking courses?
Yeah, it takes a very bigger role in my job searching. Mainly in lab practicals class and interview preparation class only, I get more knowledge how the companies are, how in the recruiters way, how they are ask knowledge, how they test whether this person having that much knowledge in that particular concept, how he is good. That things are we are able to check with the help of technical preparation and lab practical classes only. If we are studying only theory class and we are not attending technical class and lab preparation class, then we not know how much we know, how much we don't know about that particular concept we are studied. Main thing is with the help of technical and lab practical class is to check ourselves how we are good in that theory concept and practical as well. This takes a main role in job.
As you mentioned that we have to correlate both the things, that is technical also and lab practice also, so that it can be helpful to get the job, right?
Yeah, sure.
So like apart from this, any extra activities that help you to get this?
Yeah, one of the main thing in job is communication. Wherever if you are good in technical and lab practicals, it helps around 60% to get the surety of job. After that, your confident communication like the very gives a role in placing wherever the company, which company you are attending, the communication is the main thing, and confidence.
Right.
With the help of these two things only, you will you will get the job as much as possible.
So how you came to know about this company?
From the institute only, they arrange a job fair for students.
Okay.
With the job fair only, I placed it in this company.
So how many rounds were there for the interview?
Basically, they conducted 2 rounds.
And what was the format?
Both rounds are in offline only. First round is a technical round.
Okay.
And second round is a direct HR round.
Can you tell us some examples of the questions that is more relevant for the interviews?
Basically, they are asking CCNA level. First, they are checking the fundamentals. How you are good in basics.
Right.
Then you are good in basic means they are going to what they need. According to their job role. What job role they are recruiting as. Then they check with that knowledge. In this company, particularly asking about the WAN and LAN networking connections and how the WAN, what are the different broadband network links are there in WAN and how it's connected with LAN networks with HS scenarios, high availabilities.
So tell us about your mentors and instructors who helped you to gain this.
Trainers plays the main role in my learning journey. They basically give me a roadmap how to enhance our knowledge from fresher to an advanced level. And one of the main trainers helped me, Sir Vishal sir and Ajay sir, Sanjay sir and Arun sir. They are all both give me an involvement in technical classes and lab practical classes. Mainly that lab practical and technical classes only I have learned many things about related to the networking.
So what are the key takeaways from your journey at Networkers?
After completion of our CCNA courses, we will able to practice our lab in a lab itself. We having a physical rack, and with the help of the rack, we will able to practice our lab sessions, whatever the trainer is teaching to us, which is more helpful. And the self-study hold is also very good, which is also very much helpful for many learning.
So how was your overall experience at Networkers?
My experience is very good because here I get some very good experience in course learning and the infrastructure of learning and how they are involved with, how the trainers involvementally keeps the students learning and motivated them to study, and how you can study in an easiest way. And labs also, that physical racks, everything in Networkers.com is good, which makes me more comfort in studying and achieve this goal.
How would you recommend Networkers Home for the upcoming future aspirants?
Whatever domain you are coming from, it's not matter. If you come to Networkers.com with your own interest in a learning perspective, you can come and study and get the job and go.
Thank you very much, BalaKumar. Once
you.
again, congratulations to you.
Thank you.
And best wishes for your career.
Thank you, sir.
So we'll come with the next success story. Stay tuned for that. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you.